What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but this is a good one. Coinbase is having a Coinbase and Ronin chain, the one we're playing pixels on, having a special where with the learn and earn, you can earn up to $42 just doing some simple steps and learn about crypto along the way. So, highly recommended. If you have your Coinbase, guys should. If not, I have a referral down below. Go get it. Go get it on Coinbase if you're in the eligible country. The Learn and Earn is a fantastic program. Just go into the app. Right underneath your total balance, there should be. If not, you can just swipe left or the right. I think it's this is their app, but the one of them should say Learn and Earn 42 up to $42, which is a which is learn about the Ronin chain. I highly recommend it. You definitely want to do this if you haven't done it or haven't learned it. If you already know about it, you should go through it pretty quick. So everyone who has Coinbase account should be eligible to do this. And there are others down here too. I recommend doing it too. I have done plenty of those and learned a lot of tokens, different from like Atom to just a bunch of different things that it builds up very slowly. And this is one of the biggest promotions I've ever seen. Up to $37 just for Ronin, just learn about Ronin itself. So definitely go in there. Let's start it. What we have to do. So I'll go through it here, show you what you got to do. So what is Ronin? Oh, I just realized my little is blocking the right button over there. So yes, click on that first one, read through it, okay, and go to the next one. After we read through those 4 pages, it's going to give you a quiz, which is, actually it's pretty easy. If you miss one, how does Roland introduce people through games? Pretty easy. But so even if you're wrong, they give you another chance to, uh, just like that, $1. Next question. Okay, maybe later. I like it. Thank you. All right. So next is the axes, user search, blah 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 blah. We're not really gonna go through this. I'm probably gonna know already. So even if you don't know, what is Ronan's main mission? Create Web3 match towards the mass adoption. Create VR virtual reality chain. Pioneer AI driven extent. Become a blockchain superhighway. Probably guide Web3 games toward the masses, right? Yeah, it's a gaming chain. Another dollar. Roland's Life Bloodhood. Gonna read through these. More than gas, ecosystem revenue streams, game revenue payment. Okay. Now, suppose you don't know, which is not utility Roland item. So let's say global currency. Okay, it's not. If it's wrong, wait. So even this is one of them. If you get it wrong, you'll say wrong, and you get to try again. So you can pretty much just guess, and go to the next one until you get it. Another dollar. Easy. Growing gamer base. Roland has blah 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 blah. Go on to the next. To give developers. Answer another quiz. Which Web3 game can you play on Roland? That's easy. Easy. Pixels. Next. Another dollar. Discover the world of Axes. Okay. Battle, breed, collect, evolve. Mystic Axes. Evolve digital companions. Axes. What can you do with your Axes? Battle, collect, evolve. Feed, watch, parent. Run, jump, and fly. Eat, pray, love. Alright. Pretty easy quest. Another dollar. Try out the Roland wallet. Okay. Download your passport into Roland. Download instead of Roland wallet. Copy the wallet address. Top to top right button. OX extra transfer one Roland to your wallet. $5 for completing this quest. Alright. So the Roland wallet, it's not starting up for now, but you should be able to go through it, go through these steps, and should be pretty simple. But once my Roland wallet comes up a little bit later, I will try out these other stuff too. But you guys can go ahead and start it right now. They pay really well. $5 for quest, so 10, 20, 30. go do it if you can. Owning an Axie Beast might require you to actually go spend some, but you probably don't need to. But stake your wrong, at least one wrong. These are great mechanics to learn to learn how to stake, how to transfer your crypto everywhere. I think it's a fantastic program to pay you to learn. So go ahead and do it. And I have a Discord down below. If you have any questions, always open to ask. And more detail later when I get my ROM wallet. Maybe we'll go do some of that transaction too. All right, all right. Go do it. Go get that. Go get that money. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.